Hello, my name's Andreas and I'm a service engineer at Kemper. Let's talk about the shift collars of the hexagonal shaft. If their dogs wear very fast and you must exchange the collars very often, then this may be due to the base frame being bent, for example by accidental damage. Or that the check valve from the folding cylinder is leaking and the wings might move upwards during operation. The other reason can be that the hexagonal shaft is pushed back in the main frame. This can happen when the circlip comes out of its groove. It also might be the case that the bearing in the main frame is damaged. This needs to be checked as well. The next spot we need to pay attention to is the grease nipple next to this movable shift collar. This needs to be greased on a regular basis. It's very important that the collar can be properly pushed back and forth. These are the main points about the shift collars.